What's up, ladies and germs? So real quick, this is another nerdy hobby of mine, but this is the cart that I'm building. You guys might have seen some of that stuff on there. Basically, I have real estate to support other crazy hobbies of mine. I'm going electric. Just want to walk you through how this works. So I swapped out the Ranger, it's gone. We need a golf cart. I needed to carry 6 people because I've got other people in my life who like to ride around. I want it to be fast because going fast is awesome. And then I also need to be able to tow some trailers. So the way golf carts work, it's really simple, but here's the list of upgrades that we're going to do to the thing, and here's what's going to come standard. So most motors, the electric motor on these older carts is called a Series. They come with about a 5-horse motor. We're going to put a 16.7 horsepower motor on it, so we're going to triple the power plus a little bit. So the stock controller is 400 amps. We're going to go to 600 amp controller. That's an all tracks. And if you guys follow along on this build, I'll put all the links and everything. We've got to change up the forward and reverse switch because all the current goes through there. So we're just going to upgrade that. And then the battery. We're going to do a lithium ion, L-I-F-E-P-O. I don't know what all that stands for, but that's how all the guys on the internet write it. So we're going to put lithium batteries in it. And then I'm also, just for funsies, we're going to put a lift and some wheels and tires just because, you know, that's how we roll. But anyway, I want you guys to follow along. I'm super excited about this build. The Ranger's off to live a wonderful life in Southern Arizona out on a farm. It's going to have a great existence. And we are going to make the most kick-ass in-town golf cart for working, playing, and taking Gidget to the park because that's what's important. So follow along on the build. I'm ordering parts today. They should be here. Picking the cart up this week. Probably this weekend's a little bit busy, but next week we're probably going to start turning wrenches and cleaning stuff up. So follow along. I'm pumped. Drive electric because it's awesome. And Gidget wants this done because she has to walk to the park now and life's just not fair.